A very good morning to one and all, my dear children. My dear children, we have finished our English Unit 1. Now we have started with the essays. 2 essays I have done with you. I have done 2 prose chapters, as prose comprehension. Today again we'll go for one essay. That essay is on a rainy day. But before that, my dear children, I am telling you, we have started for online classes. So please, when the link is sent, you please come on that so that we can help you out. Now I'm going to start the same of English with the answers. Okay? Till now I've just given you questions as well as I've recited the poems, or I've given you the questions as well as I've given you the summary part. But now I'll give you the answers also. So you be prepared and you be ready. If you've written well and good, you check the answers. If not, please write it. Okay? Yeah. So shall we start with the rainy day? Now it's a rainy season. You know, it's a rainy season. So we'll speak about, or we'll write about, an essay on a rainy season. Last week on Friday, when I got up in the morning, the sky was completely overcast. That means it was dark and it was about to rain. It was quite dark, as if the sun had not risen. It was very dark, that means the sun has not risen literally. By the time I finished my breakfast, it had begun to pour. Now he's telling, or that boy or girl is telling, by the time I finished my breakfast, it started to pour, means started drizzling a little bit. Means raining. Drizzling means raining. Mummy would not allow me to leave the house. Mummy said, "We will not go out of the house." She was sure that I would get completely wet before I reached the school. She said that she was sure that if I go out or till I reach the school, I'll be completely wet. She told me to wait for some time. She said, wait for some time till the rain stops. I waited on the balcony for the rain to let up. I waited out in the balcony to see the rain is stopping or no. There was howling wind outside. There was a wind which was blowing. There was a thunder and lightning. You know what is thunder and lightning? Gad-gad आवाज़ येते. Okay, I could see the trees bending over in the strong wind. The trees were bending as wind was flowing very fast. As I watched, I could see the roads filling with water. As I watched over there on the roads, I could see the road which is filled with water. People were struggling to walk with many. People were struggling to walk because the water was flowing, and many were holding upturned umbrellas. Many had holded the umbrellas on the head. Some children were playing in the rain, splashing water on one another. Now some children like to play in the rain. They were putting water on each other. How I longed to join them. Even I thought I should join them and play in the rain. Suddenly, Mummy called to tell me that it was a holiday. Suddenly, Mama had called and she said today is a holiday. She had just called my school and got the news. She just called to my in my school, to the principal or to the staff members over there, and she got the news. And I was thrilled. I was thrilled means I was overjoyed because today no school. So here overcast means cloudy and therefore not bright and sunny. Let up means to become less strong. Howling, making a long, loud, wailing sound. The water which is moving here and there. There's a sound in that water. Struggling, experiencing difficulty and making a very great effort in order to do something. My dear children, now this was given of mine. You write about how you feel when you go out or when it is a rainy day. How do you feel? What do you feel? Write an essay on that a rainy day. You copy this as well as you have to write your own essay. So my dear children, whenever the online class is there, please come up. Don't wait. Okay, we should see many faces. Okay, bye. See you. Good day. Stay home. Stay safe.